Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can share your project in Planner 5D. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to be in your project. Now what you want to do is here at the top, almost right corner, you will see this button, and here you will then, if you click on it, see share project. Now you will get this link to copy, and you can share it with your friends, colleagues, and so on. And the default view you can set is 3D or 2D, and this is basically it. You then just copy a link and send it to whoever you want. So this is basically it, how you can share your project in Planner 5D. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.